At Natuur, we have 7 types of cooking oils. All of them are cold pressed, organic, and plant based. There is no adulteration in terms of synthetic fragrances or color. They are straight out from the mill and into the bottles. And we have these oils: groundnut, sesame seed. In sesame, we have white sesame seed oil and black sesame seed oil. And then we have 2 types of mustard oils, yellow and black. And then we have sunflower oil and coconut oil. All of these are very pure, of the highest grade. And how to choose what oil to use? I suggest that you get at least 3-4 different oils of choice from this array of oils and keep them at home and use different oils for different dishes. For example, dals I like to cook in desi ghee only. The dal tadka is desi ghee. But for the vegetables, the dry vegetables, I like using both the mustard oils. Sometimes we use yellow, sometimes we use black. Black has more distinct aroma and fragrance. Yellow is milder. And sesame oil, for the gravy dishes, you can use white sesame oil. And for stir fries and salads, you can use the black sesame oil, which has a high smoke point, so it should not be really burnt or cooked at very high temperatures or heat like we do in Indian cooking. So if you have to make a short timed dish, then black sesame oil is ideal for that. And then you have groundnut oil, sunflower oil. So if you want a zero aroma, you don't want the aroma of the oil, then sunflower oil is a good choice to go with. And groundnut will have a slight nutty fragrance. If you like groundnuts, you could use that oil. So I like to keep switching the oils. I don't use only one oil. I always have 3-4 oils at home and I keep swapping them in different dishes so that nutritionally we get all the benefits of all these oils. They all have different qualities. And if you're okay with the aroma of coconut oil, which is prevalently used in southern India, not so much in the north because of the distinct coconut aroma. But if you're okay with the aroma, then coconut oil is another good option to go in for. So try these oils and see how your body will thank you in the long run. Thank you.